Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel LKT Bro Financial Freedom. This week Nifty was bleeding. Whether it is expected? Yes, it is expected last week itself. And here is the proof.
Unless until it did not break this top, it can come down and break this low also.
As we expected, Nifty come down. Now the question is, what next?
Friends, I am in the day chart. It means each candlestick represent one day. This is last week Friday move. The entire market was dominated by the bull market. When I saw this candlestick, I was little bit bullish that the market might go up. Because the structure was completed, I was expecting it might be a running flat. The big fish like institute player or fund manager or market maker, they just grab the liquidity below these areas, which was expected. Guys, if we want to make money, we have to think as they think. And friends, this is not any buy or sell recommendation. This video is only for education purpose and I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Please do your research before you take any trade or any decision. Okay, what next? Now the structure is completed. It came in the form of expanding flat. From here, there is a high probability for the reversal. Guys, there should be a strict stop loss below this level. It was 23,250. If Nifty breaks 23,250, then the trend will change. Guys, last week I took a trade. This week it was a negative 22,000. It is a long-term bet, so there is no problem. But the money management and risk management is very important. But the key takeaway is, no one can predict the market. This video is only to share my knowledge. Please do your own research before trading your hard-earned money. See you in next video. Until then, goodbye.